Hello, I'm Matthew Sweigart, Sage Buffalo with Great Heart. Happy to be here with you today to introduce you to the Iron John Working Group, a chance for men to take a growth step together to grow deeper and discover and develop skills and resources for personal growth and support as a man in today's challenging world. Now, the questions we'll be asking and exploring in this workshop start with, do you know who you are? And do you know where you're going? Do you have a reliable method to ground yourself in your own personal truth? Now, this is based in Sam Keene's Fire in the Belly questions, where he says there are two questions a man has to ask himself. The first question is, where am I going? The second is, who am I going with? And important to answer those questions in the correct order. Answer the first question, where am I going, before you answer, who am I going with? That's really important to connect into your personal truth. And knowing who you are will help you answer the question, where am I going? Now, another question is, are you a man of your word? Do you say what you mean? Do you mean what you say? Do you follow through and keep your word? More questions are, do you hold beliefs about yourself that support you, or beliefs about yourself that tear you down? I mean, have you ever questioned or examined your beliefs? Like, I'm a bad man, or I'm a good man, I'm a healthy man, I'm a strong man, I'm a mature man, or I'm a kind of a dumbass, I'm kind of an asshole, I'm kind of a shit. Have you ever asked those questions? What are those beliefs that you're holding about yourself that you could really take a look at? We'll go deeper. Can you access the depths of your inherent gifts? What gifts did you inherit? What are inherent within you? And can you put those gifts to use to meet your current challenges? Deeper still, have you developed a connection to natural elements in the world? Fire, water, earth, air. If you're a contractor and you've built things, you're going to have some direct connection to these natural elements of wood and metal and steel and construction. And then the question is, can you access some deeper qualities like connection, communication, clarity of mind, clarity of purpose, groundedness, nurturance, and nourishment? Can you access such natural qualities within you? How about the natural innate intelligence you have? Is that available to you every day of your life? The natural innate intelligence that you already possess? Is it available to you every day? Or do you kind of have these skips where you skip a beat and your mind isn't quite on it? Yeah. So have you ever wished you could just receive some good advice or give some good advice? Maybe you've seen things that others have not. Are you yearning to share your insights? And could you accept that others might have seen something that you have not? And in their reflection, you can grow. These are important questions to explore and discover, to find out tools and develop tools within you that you can utilize. So we're going to do a series of 6-day-long workshops once a month over 6 months. And in each of those day-long workshops, we'll take on some of these questions and we'll go deeper with each of them and provide approaches to these questions and deliver results that deepen your connection to your strength and truth as a natural, mature man. Your strength. I'm going to work with that one. Connection to your strength. Have you ever seen a woman with stank face? I think men can do stank face too, but it's more about strength that we're looking for. And sometimes you need a good stank face to demonstrate your truth, right? And your strength. But be that as it may. We'll use resources and insights from Robert Bly's Iron John, from John Lee's Flying Boy, from Sam Keene's Fire in the Belly, and we'll practice Mankind Project processes to liberate you from the tyranny of beliefs that no longer serve you, beliefs and behaviors that no longer serve you. Now, this Sunday, December 15th, just 2 days away, 1 day away, maybe, depending on when you get this message, or maybe you missed it, I'll be holding an open house event from 1 to 5 at the Heart Mind Healing Arts Center in downtown Nevada City. That's 419 Broad Street. Many of you in the Mankind Project groups will be familiar with that space. I'll be holding an open house there for men and women too, to come and visit, to drop in. We'll be having some hot drinks and some treats, and I'll be introducing you to the space. Again, my name is Matthew Sweigart, Sage Buffalo with Great Heart. I'll be the facilitator for your Iron John working group. And on this Sunday, I'll host an open house at the center. So come on down, do your Christmas shopping out on the street. It's going to be chilly and wet, but inside it'll be warm and dry, and there'll be hot drinks and snacks. So come on in. I'll be happy to see you there. And I'll give you a sample of the upcoming Iron John working group and answer any questions that you might have as best I can. And then if you can't make it to the open house, not to worry. Over the next few days, I'll be sending out a couple more videos describing the work we'll be doing together during the Iron John working group and inviting you to take part. The group itself will convene for the first time on Sunday, January 19th. So that's a month away. It's the third Sunday of the month, January through June. All right. So check your calendars, mark it off, put it on your dance card. It'll be from 10 to 5. That's my plan. It might be 11 to 6, depending on how things are going and how people participate. And we might be able to move it to a different Sunday of the month once the group convenes. But for right now, it's the third Sunday of the month, every month from January to June, 10 to 5. And the first meeting will be on Sunday, January 19th. So put that in your calendar. I will be opening a cart for you to be able to register for this course after the course of these 3 videos, but I wanted you to get a taste of the workshop before I open the cart and give you a chance to actually enroll and register. So I want to make sure that you get a sense of the value that's offered here and how it can serve you as a man. And on that first day, we will jump right in. We'll take a look at those first questions. Do you know who you are and where you're going? How do you ground yourself in your personal truth? We'll answer that. We'll help you develop skills for recognizing thoughts, emotions, sensations, and images as they course through your body-mind and ground you in the environment where you find yourself in the moment. This is essential. And then with the witness of the group and feedback on your journey, you'll discover gifts for being open, honest, and authentic with yourself and with each other. You can tell on yourself in this group, okay? It's all in confidentiality. So we're working together in an era of trust, a container of earned trust where you can tell on yourself in relation to who you are, what you're struggling with, and where your strengths are, where your weaknesses are, and you'll get support. And you'll experience the support that being honest and authentic can bring, and being in a group of honest, authentic men can do to support you. And that's just the beginning. Okay, from there, we'll go deeper each month in processes that help us answer these questions. So you can take that understanding of your experience of life to a new level, profound level of connection and knowing. That's what we're about in the Iron John Working Group. I'm Matthew Sweigart, Sage Buffalo with Great Heart. Happy to be your facilitator. Look forward to seeing you. I hope to see you on Sunday. This is the invitation to the Iron John Working Group starting January 19th. Again, stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to look at what are some of the transformational qualities that you could look forward to in yourself that would grow and evolve as a result of joining this group. How you're going to be able to take this group and the things that we do there and take it out into your life with your spouse, with your mate, with your friends, with your coworkers, and in your groups that you may be part of, so that you can show up as a more helpful, authentic, whole man, bringing your whole self present. All right. Look forward to seeing you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye now. Where's my turn off the video button? Aha, it's hidden over there off the edge of the screen. There it is. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.